Welcome to Easy English with me. Learn simple English for daily life step by step. Hello, and welcome to this new vocabulary video. In this part, we're going to learn shopping vocabulary. You're ready? Let's go! Shopping vocabulary. Shopping vocabulary. Basic words and verbs. Let's start with the must-know words. Your shopping survival kit. Learn them now, use them forever. Shop or store. Both mean a place where you buy things. Simple, right? Shop in British English and store in American English. Shop. Shop. Store. Store. Market. A market is a place where people buy and sell things, usually fresh food, clothes, or handmade items. Say it with me. Market. Market. A bakery is a shop where you can buy fresh bread, cakes, and pastries. It smells amazing and tastes even better. Say it with me. Bakery. 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 Butcher. Butcher. A butcher is a person or shop that sells meat, fresh, clean, and ready to cook. Butcher. Pharmacy. Pharmacy. Say it with me. Pharmacy. Bookstore. Bookstore. Say it with me. Bookstore. Mall. Mall. A mall is a big building with many shops inside. All in one place. It's like a shopping city under one roof. Say it with me. Mall. Cashier. 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 Customer. Say it with me. Customer. Customer. A customer is a person who buys something from a shop, store, or market. Price. The price is the amount of money you need to pay to buy something. Price. Say it with me. Price. Price. Money. 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 Buy. Buy means to get something by paying money for it. Simple and powerful. You buy clothes, food, tickets, and much more. Say it with me. Buy. 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 Sell. Sell. One more time. Sell. To sell means to give something to someone and get money in return. If you're the one with the product, you're the seller. To pay means to give money for something you want to buy. It's the step after buying. You hand over the money. Pay. Pay. Repeat after me. Pay. We can pay by credit card and it's very convenient. Say it with me. Credit card. Credit card. Credit card. Cash means physical money, paper bills and coins you can hold in your hand. Cash. Cash. Say it with me. Cash. Mobile payment. Mobile payment means paying with your phone instead of cash or a card. Say it with me. Mobile payment. Mobile payment. Mobile payment. Online payment. Online payment. Online payment means paying through the internet. No need to go to the store. Just click and done. Cheap. Cheap. Say it with me. Cheap. Cheap means not expensive, something that costs a small amount of money. Expensive. Expensive means something costs a lot of money. It's not cheap at all. Say it with me. Expensive. Expensive. Sale. Sale. Say it with me. Sale. A sale is when items are cheaper than usual. Prices go down, and we get excited. It's the perfect time to buy and save money. Receipt. Say it with me. Receipt. Receipt. A receipt is a small piece of paper or digital message that shows what you bought and how much you paid. It's your proof of purchase, so keep it safe. Change. In shopping, change means the money you get back when you pay more than the price. You give cash and get change in coins or smaller bills. Say it with me. Change. 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 Shopping cart. Shopping cart. One more time. Shopping cart. Shopping cart. Types of products. clothes, clothes. Say it with me. Clothes, clothes. Shoes, shoes. Listen carefully to the pronunciation. Shoes, shoes. Food, food. Say it with me. Food, fruits. Fruits are sweet, juicy, and healthy foods that grow on trees or plants. Say it with me. Fruits, fruits, fruits. Vegetables. Vegetables are healthy foods that grow from the earth, full of vitamins, color, and crunch. Vegetables. Say it with me. Vegetables, vegetables. Electronics, electronics. Repeat with me. Electronics. Electronics are modern devices that run on electricity or batteries. We use them every day to work, communicate, and have fun. Toys. Toys are fun objects that kids play with. They can be soft, noisy, colorful, and full of imagination. Say it with me. Toys, toys, toys. Books, books. Say it with me. Books. Furniture, furniture. Furniture means the big things you use in your home to sit, sleep, eat, and store things. Say it with me. Furniture, cosmetics, cosmetics. Cosmetics are products people use to make their face, skin, or hair look better or more beautiful. Say it with me. One more time. Cosmetics, cosmetics. Jewelry, jewelry. Say it with me. Jewelry. Jewelry means beautiful accessories that people wear, made of gold, silver, or other materials, to look elegant and stylish. It adds a little sparkle to your outfit. Common types of jewelry: ring, necklace, earrings, bracelet, watch, often included in accessories, anklet, Example sentences. This is one of the most useful questions when shopping. And you're already using it like a pro. How much does this cost? Say it with me, one more time. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? I want to buy a new shirt. Such a simple and useful sentence. You're speaking like a real shopper now. Say it with me. I want to buy a new shirt. I want to buy a new shirt. Can I pay by credit card? This question shows you're ready to use English in real life, at stores, restaurants, even online. Say it with me. Can I pay by credit card? Can I pay by credit card? The cashier gave me the receipt. The cashier gave me the receipt. Please repeat after me. The cashier gave me the receipt. Well done! You're using past tense plus a shopping vocabulary. That's real English in action. You're not just learning words. You're building full sentences like a star. I hope you've extended your shopping vocabulary. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, click the bell, and subscribe to my channel. See you soon!